In this video, I am going to show you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. So first of all, open up your TikTok application and tap on Profile, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, what you have to do is that you have to tap on your username that is present right below your profile picture. Once you do that, you will be able to copy your username of TikTok. Once you're done, you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, what you have to do is that you have to tap on your profile picture, which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on Edit Profile. In Edit Profile, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the links. In links, you have to tap on Add. Now from here, again tap on Add New Link. Now select the TikTok application. Once you select TikTok, it will ask you to enter your username of TikTok. So you very simply have to tap on username and paste the username that you just copied from TikTok. Once you're done, you have to tap on save. So by doing this, you will be able to easily connect TikTok to your Facebook account. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.